Hey guys, I'm Kendall Clement, and welcome back to Gallivanting Kendall. Shoot me an email so you never miss one of my videos. Send me an email at gallivanting.kendall23@gmail.com. That's gallivanting.kendall23@gmail.com. If your closed captioning is on, you'll see it at the bottom of your screen. You can also find it in the show notes below this video. Now, today, Allie and I went for a walk, and we got caught in the rain. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and let's ride. It is going to rain. Look at those clouds. Look at that. Now that's out over the ocean. I hope we don't get rained on the way back. We're about 20 minutes out. I'm on the highway. Look at those clouds. Oh my God. Oh my God, it is going to come down. I'm on the highway. There's a barbecue joint I have to try, KKD, it's a chain. I'm not a big fan of barbecue though. Not since my Aunt Catherine. My Aunt Catherine. Texas native. Immigrant, look at this, clouds. Got caught in the rain. Look at that. Hi. Hi. Oh man, look at that. That's coming down, man. We found this shelter with all these nice people. There's Allie. We're waiting it out. You get caught in the rain in the Philippines, you just kind of wait it out. It'll pass. Hopefully it won't last long, but I think it might. down Philippine style. You want to get wet, Allie? That's my home. That's my home. Los Angeles. That's where I'm from. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the rain. If you got value out of this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Also, send me your email address to be added to my email list soon. I will be sending out notifications before YouTube so that you can be notified in advance of my upcoming videos. Thanks again for watching. And as always, take care of each other and give a great day.